Hello, here we are in our EQUELLA resource. So this one is resource 2 for EQUELLA training, and you can see here that I have version 1. Now I want to make some changes. I want to add some links and some other files to this resource. So I'm making substantial changes, so I want to create a new version. So down in my editing actions, you can see I can click to create a new version. This means that I'll save the previous version, but I'll be making a new version as well. So my information about this resource is fine. I don't need to make any changes there. Where I do need to make changes is to add some new attachments. Now I've already got a heap of websites attached to this resource, and I'm going to add another one. So down adding websites, I'm going to add a resource. I paste in my new web address and add, and I just give that a title that makes a little bit more sense. And save. So you can see at the bottom I've added another link, Watch Monty Videos. I also want to add a picture, so I'll add a resource, drag my picture across, you see it's added my picture. Click next and save, and I can come back and edit the name of that if I want. Alright, so now what we have is a new website link and a picture added, and I'm going to save. I've added in the new pieces and I'm going to publish. Okay, so I've successfully saved. I've kept most of my details the same, but you can see I have 2 new items at the bottom of my list of attachments, and over here you can see I now have version 2, and if I click show all, you can see that I have a history of the versions of the items. So I have version 2, which is live, I have version 1, which is archived, and I can actually click on those and look at either version. So here I am in version 1, and you can see at the bottom I don't have as many links as if I looked at version 2. Okay, so when you're making substantial changes to an EQUELLA resource, think about whether you really need to make a new version. The beauty about having different versions in EQUELLA is that you can keep track of all the changes, the major changes to a document. It also means that if you need to refer back to a version from a particular time, that you're able to do that. And that's often quite important if you're looking back at particular versions that students accessed at a particular time for QA and audit purposes.